How to send money on PayPal. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to easily send money on PayPal. Whether you're paying a friend, family member or making a purchase, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. Sign into your PayPal account by entering your email and password, then click Login. You'll be taken to your PayPal dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Send and Request option at the top of the page and click on it. This is where you can send money to anyone with a PayPal account. Next, type in the email address, phone number, or name of the person you want to send money to. Make sure that the information is accurate because PayPal will use it to identify the recipient. After that, enter the amount of money you want to send. You can also choose the currency from the drop-down menu if you're sending money internationally. Below that, PayPal will show you the payment methods available. You can send money using your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a credit/debit card. Select your preferred option. Now, before sending, make sure everything is correct, so double check the recipient's information, the amount, and the payment method. And once everything looks good, click Send Payments Now to complete the process. And that's it, you've successfully sent money using PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching.